Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Thermonuclear Godzilla. Now, I know I haven't been drawing a whole lot of Godzilla videos. I've been trying to experiment with some other ones, but I definitely want to get back to doing some more Godzilla and Titan videos. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our Thermonuclear Godzilla, let's begin right here at the face. So I'm going to start here, and we're going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of go down and then up like a check mark. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to go down and up for the eye. Next over here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and up, and another little curve underneath there for the eye. Starting here, we're going to go out, and we're going to bring this line down, over, and then we're going to bring this back. And then we'll make two little lines right here for the nose. Starting here, we're going to go down, we're going to come back, and then we're going to go around here. Then we'll make a little line that comes up here. Starting here, we're going to bring this line up, and then when we get to about here, let's just go down. Next, we'll bring this one down and in, and another one down and in, and then we'll just bring this one down. Then starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out and in. And we're going to bring this line down a little bit farther. Next, starting here, we're going to bring this line down. Make it come down to a point and then up. Make this one come around and in. Make this line come down to a point, and then this line come down to a point. Next, we're going to bring this line up to here. Next, we're going to come down and over. And this one will go over and then up for the chest. Starting over here, we're going to make lines going to come out and then down. We're going to make this line come down. We're going to add a little line that's going to come down here. And then a little line that's going to come down here, and then another one here. We'll do one more here, and we're going to bring this up. Then let's bring this line right back up towards the body. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to curve down. Then we're going to start right about here, and we'll just kind of draw a line that's going to come down for the back. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, and then we're going to go down. Start the leg. Then we're going to bring this line out to a point, and then back. We'll do another one right here, comes out to a point and down. And then one here, out to a point and then down. And we're going to go out, we're going to bring this up, and then back up here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out, then it's going to come down.
Bring this line out to a point and back, and another one out to a point and back. We'll bring this over. We're going to come up and then go right over to here. Then starting here, we're going to draw a line that kind of comes down. We'll bring this up a little bit. Should have brought this a little bit up more, so just ignore that line. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to bring this over to here. We're going to add a curve, and then as we get closer to the body, we're going to get this bigger and bigger. Now, starting out here, I'm going to add some little kind of pointed lines just to kind of start Godzilla's dorsal fins. So we're going to make some little ones here. And then back here, we're going to make some much bigger ones. So we're going to kind of go right by the hand. And we're just going to make more and more of them right along here. Next, what we need to do is we want to add the big wings of Mothra on here. So I'm going to start right here, and we're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then let's just bring it right back towards Godzilla. We can do another one here. Let's go out, and then bring it right back towards him. We're going to bring these lines in, and I'm going to make them a little bit wavy as they come in. Do that same thing here. Bring them in and just make them a little bit wavy. Now up here, we're going to bring these up, and then we're going to come down. We'll do that same thing here. Let's go up and then down. Then we're going to come all the way out towards the top of our paper. And then we're going to bring this down. We'll do that same thing over here. Let's bring this up towards the top of our paper. And then let's bring it down right back towards Godzilla. And we'll do that same thing. Make this big wavy line, and we'll stop it right at the top of that wing. We'll do that same thing here. Bring it down and stop it right about there. Now we have our basic shape. Let's kind of come in here and add some of the different details. So I'm going to start by drawing a line that's going to go up and down, and then one down here, right above Godzilla's eyes. I'm going to bring this line back, and I'm going to bring a couple lines down, and a little line or two underneath his eye. Bring a line up here. And then I'm going to make some little broken lines coming right across here for his neck. And then a couple more little lines right down here. Let's bring a line up and over on each side. Then we're going to bring a long broken line down. And then we're going to make some little kind of long broken lines right along here for some detail. We're going to add little curved lines on all of his fingers for his claws and on his toes too. Definitely want to make the ones on the toes much bigger. And even add an extra line or two in there for some detail. We want to make like an oval circular shape for the knees, and then we're going to make a couple more extra lines right around it. We're going to make some little broken lines right around parts of the body, like on the arms and everything. And then I like to make some extra little broken lines. They're just going to come right across different parts of the legs, different parts of the arms. just for a little bit more detail. We put some across the chest and even on the body too. I'm going to make some little broken lines right around the mouth, and then a couple little lines right across the head too. We're going to make a long broken line right down the tail, and then we're going to add some little lines coming across here too for some detail. We can even add broken lines right across the tail and on the top too for some extra. And then it's just kind of filling in different areas. Godzilla has so many different details on him, it's hard to get everything, so you just kind of put as many details in there as you want to. Just depends on how much coloring and detail you want to add. I'm also going to put some broken lines right along the wings here. And then a couple more coming right out of here too. Nothing too crazy, just a little bit on there. And there you go, there is your drawing of your thermonuclear Godzilla. Now I know we've drawn a lot of like burning Godzillas and everything, but this one actually has the Mothra wings in there where he got all of his power from. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.